10 Best Philippine Beaches You Must Visit. The Philippines, with over 7,000 islands, is a paradise of white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and tropical charm. Whether you're a sun seeker, diver, or soul searcher, these top beaches offer unforgettable experiences. 1. White Beach Boracay, Aklan. Famous for its powdery white sand and vibrant nightlife, White Beach is the crown jewel of Boracay. Enjoy world-class resorts, water sports, and iconic sunsets that paint the sky in fiery hues. 2. Nido, Palawan. Surrounded by dramatic limestone cliffs and turquoise lagoons, Nido's beaches like Nacpan and Seven Commandos are perfect for swimming, kayaking, and island hopping to hidden coves. 3. Nacpan Beach, Palawan. A 4 km stretch of golden sand lined with swaying palms and peaceful waves. Nacpan is ideal for those seeking serenity, with breathtaking views and a touch of rustic charm. 4. Sod Beach, Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. Known as the Boracay of the North, Sod Beach offers calm waters, a wide sandy shoreline, and a quiet escape from crowds perfect for laid-back travelers. 5. Alona Beach, Panglao, Bohol. This beach balances relaxation and activity, with diving spots nearby, charming resorts, and beachfront restaurants. The coral reefs and nearby islets are must-sees for snorkelers. 6. Malcapuya Island, Coron, Palawan. Malcapuya boasts unspoiled sands and shallow blue waters. It's less commercialized than other spots in Coron, making it a dream for beachcombers and peace seekers. 7. Kalangaman Island, Leyte. A postcard-perfect island famous for its stunning sandbar, Kalangaman features clear waters, coconut trees, and perfect snorkeling spots, accessible via boat day trips. 8. Bantayan Island, Cebu. Tranquil and picturesque, Bantayan has soft white sand beaches, peaceful fishing villages, and a relaxing vibe. It's a favorite for couples and solo travelers alike. 9. Siargao, Surigao del Norte. More than just surfing, Siargao also has idyllic beaches like Gayam and Daku Island. You'll find a mix of adventure and untouched beauty here. 10. Subic Beach, Sorsogon. Tucked away in Matnog, Subic Beach is known for its pinkish sand and gentle waves. It's one of Bicol's hidden gems, ideal for camping and family trips. Final tip: the best time to visit most Philippine beaches is from November to May. During the dry season, always respect local guidelines and preserve nature's beauty when exploring these coastal wonders. For more videos like this, subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.